Bitcoin jumped 10x.
Nice.
Hello everyone, this is Forever Looney here, and today we will be speaking in regards to Bitcoin halving. Okay, so other than doing real estate investment, other than doing stocks exchange, I am also a Bitcoin fan, and I do also, check out a lot of things in regards to Bitcoin. But however, this video, I am not a financial advisor, or will I advise you to do trading in Bitcoin, or will I advise you to do anything else? I'm just gonna list out all the different information that I have found, and you guys should actually know what you guys are investing in. Alright, so let me just talk to you guys in regards to halving and when it first started. Okay, the first halving, it happens on November 28, 2012. And then the second halving is actually July 9, 2016. And then 4 years after that, it's gonna be 2020, which is this year and yesterday. Okay, so Bitcoin halved on May 11th. And we can see that, okay, let's just look at the chart on the second halving, because we are not able to see the first halving. But however, we do know that the period of 2012 is actually pretty smooth, and then suddenly on on January 14, the year 2014, suddenly it spiked to 1,000 from 100, which means Bitcoin jumped 10x. Okay, after that it goes smooth sailing again until the next halving. It's somewhere around here, July 9. Yeah, somewhere around here. Then after that, in the same identical patterns come in. Alright, July 14 it picks 10x from the previous Bitcoin halving. Okay, so Bitcoin halving first is on 2012, and then suddenly it picked at the period of January, around December that period, closing to 21.4. Then it halved again on July 9. Am I right? July 9. Yes, July 9, 2016. So July 9, 2016, it halved. And then, just before January 1/8, okay, which is 2 years after the halving, it picked again. It picked. And this is the second time it picked. If we are going to use historical chart to look at how halving is going to be, Bitcoin is definitely going to skyrocket its amount in the upcoming halving, which means 2 years after this halving, it might just skyrocket anytime. So we are not very sure, but however, this is the observations that I have seen for myself when I'm actually dealing with Bitcoin trading and stuff. So from here, not just that, okay, we do also have another cryptocurrency that is called Tether, which I will actually speak in the next video. If Bitcoin is gonna 10x itself from the first halving, which we can see from the chart, because on the year 2012, maybe not so much people are looking at Bitcoins and stuff, so not a lot of people know that. When I first got in touch with Bitcoins, it was actually through a game called Perfect World. Yeah, then after that, I heard my friends speaking about Ethereum, and that's how I actually get into the Bitcoin market. So we can also see that here on July, all the way like August, all the way on the year 2013, we can see that it's around 100, maybe close to 90 and stuff like that. Suddenly it skyrocket all the way to $1,000, which means it is 10x the amount that it has. And then it smooth sail all the way towards the second halving, which is July 9, 2016. Okay, and then from here, July 9, okay, let's just go to July 9. It's around the price of 648 USD. 2 years before January 18, okay, around December, that period, it skyrocketed all the way to 18,983. It's around 30x. It's around 30x. So we can see that the next coming Bitcoin halving that just halved, 2 years after that, you might just see a bull run, or it might just drop, because we are not sure what we are able to see. But however, if we are going to use historical terms to look at how it's going to happen, it's definitely going to skyrocket, right? So my question is Bitcoin going to be the best investment right now that you guys are able to look at it? But just to warn you guys again, I'm not a financial advisor. I do not do all these things, okay? I also can't predict the future, all right? If you are interested in this, do leave your comments in the comment section below, and let's just talk about it. Hey, hi guys, my name is Prabhat Looney. Thank you so much for watching this video, alright? If you feel that you enjoy this video, okay, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing to my channel, okay? Share with your friends on Facebook, you know, I'm gonna put out all these videos every social media accounts that I have, alright? Like this video, you know, share with your friends. I hope that you guys can actually find a direction in your life. If you want to be happy, just be happy. I'll see you guys on the next video.